Benro Mammoth tripods are super tall and strong, and this one comes with an amazing video head. This video tripod kit matches ease of use and the ability to handle a serious rig easily. The flip locks are super fast, and the carbon fiber legs keep the weight down and the strength up. It's got accessory mounts, multiple leg angles, spiked and rubber feet, and a weight hook to plant down firmly. If you've already got a flat base video head you love, it fits right at home on the included leveling ball. Or if you've got a 75mm half ball head, it's also a perfect fit. The BV6H Plus video head is a real standout on this kit. It looks just like our 75mm BV6 head, plus a new clamping system. It still has 4-step pan drag, 4-step tilt drag, and 8 steps of counterbalance. On the top, you've got a 501 ready side load plate clamping system that with the flip of a tab is Arca compatible too. It's a great feature when you want to switch from photo to video without missing a beat, and you're ready to go.